Hi students, today we are going to discuss unit number 2, the concept sequences. So look at the picture. The first picture, apples are arranged in some pattern. Second picture, step is given according to its height. The third picture, squares are arranged. Look at the first picture. The first row 1 apple, second row 2 apple, third 3 apple, fourth row 4 apple, fifth row 5 apples. If it's the next row, it will have 6 apple, next row 7 apple, like that it goes. The second picture, the height of the first step is 0.5 feet, second step also 0.5 feet, third step also 0.5 feet, fourth, all the steps are having the height 0.5 feet. Therefore, the total height of the first step is 0.5. The total height of the second step is 1. The total height of the third step is 1.5. Fourth step 2. And the next step will be 2.5 and so on. The third picture, the first there is only 1 square. The second one 3 squares. Third one 5 squares. Then the next it will have 7 squares. The next 9 squares. So these are the odd numbers. So there is a pattern in the arrangement. This pattern is called the sequence. So the numbers belong to a category is called a sequence. Now we are going to study the real valued sequence. What is a real valued sequence? The definition of the real valued sequence is a real valued sequence is a function defined on the set of all natural numbers. A function defined on set of all natural numbers. That means the domain of the function is natural numbers, capital N, and taking real values. Real values means capital R. Therefore, the codomain will be capital R and domain will be capital N. Then the function is called a real valued sequence. A function from capital N to capital R is said to be a real valued sequence. Now some important keywords in the sequence. The first one, each element in the sequence is called term. If a sequence is written like that, in the apples, 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, 4 apples, 5 apples means 1, 2, 3, 4, is the sequence. Each element, 1 is one term, 2 is another term, 3 is another term, 4 is another term. Like that we will call each element as a term in the sequence. Next one, the term in the first position. The term in the first position is called the first term. Since it is in the first position, it is called a first term. Second element, second term. Third element, third term. Like that we will call. The next one, the general term. Nth term is denoted by an. The nth term is denoted by an. Then this suffix n. When you put n is equal to 1, you will get a1. When you put n is equal to 2, a2. a1 is the first term. a2 is the second term. Like that a3 is the third term and so on. So a1 first term, a2 second term, a3 third term. Like that an nth term and so on. This is called a sequence. Since its values are real numbers, it is a real valued sequence. Let us see an example illustration. Look at the sequence 1, 3, 5, 7. The last we have discussed in the squares, number of squares. 1 square, 1, 2, 3, 3 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 squares. If it goes like that, now the next it will have 7 squares, next 9 squares. So these are the odd numbers. Here in the example 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. is a sequence with general term. What is general term? It is an odd number. So odd numbers are 1 less than the even number. So it is of the form 2n minus 1. Put n is equal to 1. 2 into 1, 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Put n is equal to 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Second term, 3. Put n is equal to 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 1, 5. Third term, 5. Put n is equal to 4. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 1, 7. The fourth term, 7. Like that, if you put the number n, you can find the term. So it is a sequence where a1 is equal to 1, a2 is equal to 3, a3 is equal to 5, and a4 is equal to 7. Like that it goes. See the next example. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, and dot 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 is also a sequence. Now look at the numerator. All the numerators are the same number 1, but the denominator in the first term means n is equal to 1, the value is 1 more. The second term, the denominator is 1 more. The third term, the denominator is 1 more. Third term, 3 plus 1, 4. The fourth term, 4 plus 1, 5. Like that. In the numerator, all the numerators are 1. But in the denominator, if it is nth term, 1 more. That is n plus 1. Therefore, the general term of the sequence is 1 by n plus 1. Put n is equal to 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 by 2. Put n is equal to 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 by 3. Put n is equal to 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 1 by 5. Like that, we can find all the terms. So, it is a general term. So, the next one. Next important. If the number of elements in a sequence is finite. Finite means if the n term is given, it is finite sequence. The number of elements in the sequence is infinite, then it is called infinite sequence. Finite means the last term will be given. Infinite means the last term is not given. For example, suppose 1, 2, 3, dot dot dot, 10. So it is a sequence. It have only 10 elements. So only 10 means it's countable number of terms. Countable number of terms, it is finite sequence. If it is 1, 2, 3, dot dot dot, here there is no nth elements, last term. So it is infinite sequence. It is a finite sequence. Finite sequence means it will have finite elements. Finite means countable. Infinite sequence means it will have no final element, last element. It goes up to the infinity. Goes. So there is no end. So it is an infinite sequence. So finite sequence means it will have finite elements. Infinite sequence means it will have infinite elements. Infinite terms. The next one, we can represent the sequence as a function. Sequence as a function. What is the function? A sequence is a function defined on the natural number. The definition we have defined. Sequence is a function defined on the natural number. So f is from n to r is a sequence where r is a set of all natural numbers, n is a set of all, r is a set of all real numbers, n is a set of all natural number. Domain is natural number and the codomain is real numbers. Then this function is a sequence. But you should know all the functions are not sequence, but all the sequences are functions. எல்லா சீக்வன்ஸுமே ஃபங்க்ஷன் தான், ஆனால் எல்லா ஃபங்க்ஷனையும் சீக்வன்ஸாக எழுத முடியாது. எந்த ஃபங்க்ஷன்லாம் எண்ணிலிருந்து ஆறு போதோ அது மட்டும்தான் சீக்வன்ஸ். எண்ணிலிருந்து போகாமல் ஆறுலேருந்து ஆறு போகுது அல்லது ஆறுலேருந்து எண்ணுக்கு போகுதுன்னா தட் இஸ் நாட் அ சீக்வன்ஸ். என் டு ஆறாக இருந்தால் தட் இஸ் அ சீக்வன்ஸ். எண்ணிலிருந்து போகாமல் எண்ணுக்கு பதில் வேறு ஏதாவது செட் இருந்துச்சுன்னா அல்லது சப்செட் இல்லாமல் இருந்துச்சுன்னா தட் இஸ் நாட் அ சீக்வன்ஸ். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் அ கான்செப்ட் ஆஃப் சீக்வன்ஸ். நவ் we will discuss some examples. So let us check the progress check. So first one, fill in the blanks for the following sequence. 7, 13, 19, what will be the next term? Just find the answers and check whether you have understood the concept or not. If you have any doubt in this, you can ask me later. Example 2.19. Find the next three terms of the sequences. First one, 1 by 2, 1 by 6, 1 by 10, 1 by 14, etc. Second one, 5, 2, minus 1, minus 4, etc. Third one, 1, 0.1, 0.01, etc. Our question is to find the next term. We have to assume the sequence and we have to find the next three terms. So first one, 1 by 2, 1 by 6, 1 by 4, 1 by 10, 1 by 14. So first one, look at the numerator. All the numerators are 1. But in the denominator, first term it is 2. So in the denominator, second term, 6. 4 more. The third term 10, 6 plus 4 10. Next term 10 plus 4 14. Therefore the next term 14 plus 4 is equal to 18, but numerator will be 1. So 1 by 18. The next term 18 plus 4 is equal to 22. So 1 by 22. The next term 22 plus 4 is equal to 26. So 1 by 26. So like that, the numerator, all the numerators are same 1, but in the denominator 4 is increased. So numerator same, denominator 4 more, 4 increased with the previous term. Therefore the next term A4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 terms are given. Next term A5, A5 will be 1 by 14 plus 4. 14 plus 4 is equal to 18, so answer 1 by 18. The next term A6, A6 will be 1 by, what is the last term? 18. So 18, it will be increased to 4. So 18 plus 4 is equal to 22, so answer 1 by 22. Next term A7, A7 means 1 by last term 22 plus 4. 22 plus 4 is equal to 26. So answer 1 by 26. Therefore, the next three terms are 1 by 18, 1 by 22 and 1 by 26. So next second question. Second question, what is sequence? Sequence 5, 2, minus 1, minus 4, dot, dot, dot. Look at 5, 2. It is decreased. How much? 3. 2 minus 5 is equal to 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3. Next one, it here also decreased. How much? Minus 3. Here also decreased. How much? Minus 3. How? 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3. Minus 1, minus 2. I am subtracting from third term to second term, answer minus 3. From like that, minus 4. Minus, what is third term? Minus 1, which is equal to minus 4 plus 1, which is equal to minus 3. So all the terms are decreased to minus 3. Therefore the next term 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth term will be minus 3 degrees. So minus 4, minus 3. So answer minus 7. Next term A6, minus 7, minus 3. So answer minus 10. Next term A7, answer will be minus 10, minus 3. So minus minus add minus 13. Therefore the next three terms are minus 7, minus 10, minus 13. The third example 1, 0.1, 0.01, dot, dot, dot. Look at 1. It is 0.01 means it is divided by 10. It is 0.01 means it is divided by again 10. So like that, it is divided by 10 or multiplied by 0.1. So here we are divided by 10. Here also divided by 10. The next term also divided by 10. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 3 terms are given. A4 will be 0.01 divided by 10. When you divide a number by 10, it will increase the decimal part. So 0.001. A5 is equal to 0.001 is divided by 10. So one more digit, so 0.0001. Next one A6. A6 is the last term 0.0001 divided by 10. So here one more digit, so answer 0.00001. Therefore the three terms are 0.001, 0.0001, 0.00001 are the next three terms. So to find the next three terms, we have to observe the sequence. And the sequence is marked. Here first example, all the numerators are same, but the denominator 4 increased. So we have to write 1 by 14 plus 4, 1 by 18 plus 4, 1 by 22 plus 4. Like that we can find the next term. The second example, all the terms are decreased by 3. So we have to subtract 3. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1, minus 1 minus 3, minus 4, minus 4 minus 3, minus 7, minus 7 minus 3, minus 10, minus 7 minus 3, minus 13 are the next term. The third example, all the terms are divided by 10. So 1 by 10, 0.1, 0.1 by 10, 0.01, 0.01 by 10, 0.001, 0.001 divided by 10, 0.0001. Like that, you have to find the next three terms. So the answers are increased or decreased. So this is the answer. Example 2.20. Find the general term for the following sequences. Question number 1, 3, 6, 9, etc. Question number 2, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, etc. Question number 3, 5, minus 25, 125, etc. So our question is to find the general term. To find the general term, we have to understand the terms. The first example 3, 6, 9, etc. These are the multiples of 3. So solution, first question 3, 6, 9, etc. These are the multiples of 9. Therefore, the general term is multiples of 3 means it is 3n. What is the reason? Since they are multiples of 3. Since 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, and 3 3s are 9, like that. Next term 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. So they are the multiples of 3. So 3 into something, when n is equal to 1, 3, n is equal to 6, n is equal to 3, 9, like that. So it is 3n. If it is multiple of 2, 2n. Multiples of 4, 4n, like that. The multiples of 3 means 3n. Look at the second question. Second question, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, dot dot dot. Look at the first term, a1. a1 is equal to 1 by 2. a2 is equal to 2 by 3. And a3 is equal to 3 by 4. Look at carefully. 1 by 2. 2 by 3 by. If it is n means if it is n, so n by. Now look at the denominator. 1 more, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. If it is n plus 1 is equal to n plus 1. So in the numerator, they are equal. The denominator is 1 more than the numerator. So if it is n, the numerator will be n, and the denominator will be 1 more. So 1 more means n plus 1. Therefore the general term is n by n plus 1. Therefore the general term is n divided by n plus 1. Third one, the sequence is 1, 5, minus 25, 125, dot dot dot. Look at the sequence. Plus, minus, plus, the next term will be minus, and so on. And also, all the numbers are multiples of 5. 1 5 is 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. They are the powers of 5, and plus and minus are alternatively coming. Therefore, since the terms have plus and minus, since the terms have positive sign and negative sign, alternatively means 1 plus 1 minus, like that. Alternatively, and they are powers of 5. Powers of 5 means 5 power 1, 5. 5 power 2, 5 square. 5 square is equal to 25. 5 power 3, 125. Like that. The general term is Since plus minus are alternative means we have to write minus 1 the whole power. Look at the first term. First term the sign is plus. First term plus means when you multiply minus 2 times, sign will be plus. When you multiply minus odd time, the sign will be minus. In the odd term, sign is plus, so we have to write n plus 1. When you put n plus 1, it will become even. And also it is 5 powers of 5, so 5 power n. Put n is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, so minus 1 the whole power 2 is equal to plus. When you put n is equal to 2, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, minus 1 the whole power 3, it will be minus. So minus alternatively coming now, we have to write minus 1 the whole power, and the first term is plus, so we have to write n plus 1. If it is the first term is minus, we can put just n, because power ஆடா இருந்துச்சுன்னா மைனஸ் வரும், பவர் ஈவனாக இருந்தால் ப்ளஸ் வரும். இப்போ ப்ளஸ் டூ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேர்ம் ப்ளஸ்ஸாக இருக்கனால பவர் ஈவனாக இருக்கணும், ஸோ வி ஆட் 1. பட் இந்த powers of 5 we will write 5 power n, because 5 power 1 5, 5 power 2 25, 5 power 3 125 கரெக்டாக இருக்குது. ஆனால் மைனஸ் மட்டும் மாறி மாறி வரனால we will write minus 1 the whole power n plus 1 into 5 power n is the general term. So like that we can find the general term by observing the each term and the number of term. எந்த term அது என்ன எப்படி இருக்குங்கிறத பார்த்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்னா அந்த term observe பண்ணுவோம். Thank you. Example 2.21. A general term of a sequence is defined as an is equal to n into n plus 3, where n belongs to n is odd, n square plus 1, and n belongs to n is even. Find the 11th term and 18th term. Find the 11th term and 18th term when the general term of the sequence is given. You have to understand the n, if n is odd, we have to take this sequence. When n is even, we have to take this sequence. ஆடாக இருக்கும்போது ஒரு மாதிரியும் ஈவனாக இருக்கும்போது ஒரு மாதிரியும் மாறிக்கிட்டு இருக்கு. We have to find the corresponding elements. So first one which term? 11th term. 11th term means n is equal to 11. n is equal to 11 is odd or even? Odd. So n is equal to 11 is odd. Since n is equal to 11 is odd, we have to take the first sequence n into n plus 3. Therefore, a11 is equal to 11 into 11 plus 3, which is equal to 11 into 11 plus 3 is equal to 14. So 11 14s are multiply 14 with 11. 1 4 is 4, 1 1 is 1, 1 4 is 4, 1 1 is 1. Answer 4 5 1. Therefore answer 154. Second question, 18th term. So n is equal to 18 is even. n is equal to 18 is even means second sequence n square plus 1. Therefore a18 is equal to n square plus 1 means 18 square plus 1. 18 square is equal to 18 into 18. 18 into 18. 8 8s are 64. 4 remaining 6. 1 8 is 8. 8 plus 6 equal to 14. 1 8 is 8. 1 1 is 1. So 4. 4 plus 8 12. 2 remaining 1. 1 1 1 1 is equal to 3. So answer 18 square is equal to 324 plus 1. 324 plus 1 is equal to 325. Therefore, A18 is equal to 325 and A11 is equal to 154. So answer is 154 into 325. So this will be a 2-mark question. You have to understand. We have to take the corresponding sequence. Odd and one, even and one. We have to find whether it is odd or even. Odd and apply panno, even and apply panno. The next example 2.22. Example 2.22. The question is find the 5 terms of the following. Find the first 5 terms. Find the first 5 terms of the following sequence, where A1 is equal to 1, A2 is equal to 1, AN is equal to AN minus 1 divided by AN minus 2 plus 3, such that n is greater than or equal to 3 comma n belongs to capital N. This is a question. Our question is to find the first 5 terms of the sequence, that a1 is equal to 1, a2 is equal to 1, and the remaining elements are given. When n is greater than or equal to 3, we have to take this sequence. Our question is to find the first 5 terms. So solution. Solution, what is a1? a1 is equal to 1. Second one, a2 is equal to 1. First term, second term. We have to find the remaining 3 terms. And also, when n is greater than or equal to 3, an is equal to, for n is greater than or equal to 3, an is equal to an minus 1 by an minus 2 plus 3. So these are all the given informations. Now put n is equal to 3. n is equal to 3. a3 is equal to, put n is equal to 3 here. a 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 divided by a 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 plus 3, which is equal to a2 by, or you can apply a2 is equal to, already given, a2 is equal to 1. So this is equal to 1 divided by a1 plus 3. a1 is equal to 1 plus 3. So which is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Therefore, a3 is equal to 1 by 4. The next one, put n is equal to 4. a4 is equal to, put n is equal to 4 here. 4 minus 1, 3. a3 divided by 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. a2 plus 3, which is equal to a3. What is a3? a3 is equal to 1 by 4. 1 divided by 4. The whole divided by a2. What is a2? a2 is equal to 1. So 1 plus 3. So which is equal to 1 by 4 divided by 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Fraction by fraction, which is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4 4s are 16. So answer a4 is equal to 1 by 16. Our question is to find the first 5 terms. We have found first 4 terms. Next term, when n is equal to 5, a5 is equal to, what is this? When n is equal to n, it is previous term, it is next previous term. So first and next previous term, n is equal to 5 a4 divided by term a3 plus 3. So answer a4 means, what is a4? a4 is equal to 1 by 16. So 1 divided by 16 divided by a3. What is a3? a3 is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 3. So answer is equal to 1 by 16 divided by, we have to take LCM 4. 1 plus LCM 1 3 4s are 12. So which is equal to 1 by 16 into, add panna 1 plus 12, 13. 4 by 13. So now we can cancel. 1 4 is 4. 4 4s are 16. So which is remaining, 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 4 13s are 52. Therefore, this is a5. Therefore, the first 5 terms, what is the first term? a1. a1 is equal to 1. So first term 1. Second term a2. a2 is equal to 1. Third term a3. a3 is equal to 1 by 4. Next term a4. a4 is equal to 1 by 16. Next a5. a5 is equal to 1 by 52, comma, are the first 5 terms. So understand, here first term, second term are given. The next 3, for n greater than or equal to 3, nth term is given. We have to apply n is equal to 3 and we have to find the remaining 2 elements. When you apply n is equal to 3, it will be a2, it will be a1. The next terms, மேல இருக்குது இது 3 னா a2 வரும், a1 வரும். இது 4 னா இது a3 வரும், இது a2 வரும். இது 5 னா இது a4 வரும், இது a3 வரும். அது அப்படியே அப்ளை பண்ணி சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணனும். சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்றது மட்டும் தான் அந்த ப்ராப்ளம். So will be a nice 5 mark question. Sometimes they will ask it is a 5 mark question. Exercise 2.4, question number 1. Find the next 3 terms of the following sequence. Subdivision number 1, 8, 24, 72, etc. 2, 5, 1, minus 3, etc. 3, 1 by 4, 2 by 9, 3 by 16, etc. The question number 1, 8, 24, 72. 8, question number 1, 8, 24, 72, etc. Very simple one. 1 8 is 8, 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. Next one, 3 24s are 72. So it is just to multiply 3 with the previous term. So here A1 is equal to 8, A2 is equal to 24, which is nothing but 3 into 8, and A3 is equal to 72, which is nothing but 3 into 24. Therefore A4 will be 3 into 72. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. And A5 will be 3 into 216. So answer 3 6 are 18, remaining 1. 1 3 is 3, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, and 3 2s are 6. So our question is to find the next 3 terms. So we have found 2. Next one, A6 is equal to 3 into 648. So multiply 648 into 3. 3 8s are 24, 4 remaining 2. 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2 is equal to 4, remaining 1. 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 1 is equal to 19. So answer is equal to 1944. Therefore the answers are, therefore first term 216, next is 648, next is 1944 or the next 3 terms. The next 3 terms. So first you have to observe what is the pattern in this sequence. Just to multiply 3 with the previous term. 3 8s are 24, 3 24s are 72, 3 72s are 216, 3 216s are 648, 3 648s are 1944. Therefore 216, 648 and 1944 are the next 3 terms. Second sequence, 5 1 minus 3 comma etc. This is a very simple one. 5 minus 3 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3, and minus 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 7, minus 7 minus 4 is equal to minus 11, and so on. It's a very simple one. So second question, we can already solved. We have 1 5 1 minus 3 comma etc. Here we can write A1 is equal to 5, A2 is equal to 1, and A3 is equal to minus 3 comma etc. Therefore we can observe it is minus 4, it is minus 4, therefore A4 is equal to minus 3 minus 4, answer minus 7. A5 is equal to minus 7 minus 4, answer minus 11, and A6 is equal to minus 11 minus 4, answer minus 50. Therefore minus 7, minus 11, minus 15 are the next 3 terms. So like that we can solve the third one. Look at the third one. First term numerator 1, second term numerator 2, third term numerator 3. So the next term 4, next term 5, next term 6, and the denominator 4 is 2 square, 3 is 9 is 3 square, 16 is 4 square. So here also you can solve. First one, third one, write the term 1 by 4, 2 by 9, and 3 by 16 comma dot dot dot. So it is 1 by 4 means the numerators are the natural numbers, denominators are the squares of the next terms. So A1 1 by 4 is equal to 1 divided by 2 square, A2 2 divided by 3 square, comma A3 3 divided by 4 square. Therefore we can observe A4 is equal to 4 divided by 5 square. So answer 4 by 25. A5 is equal to 5 divided by 6 square. So 5 by 6 square is equal to 36. And last term A6 equal to 6 divided by 7 square. So answer 6 divided by 7 square is equal to 49. Therefore, what are three terms? 4 by 25, 5 by 36 and 6 by 49 are the required terms. How to find? The numerators are natural numbers, the denominators are square of the next terms. So 4 na denominator 5 square, 5 na denominator 6 square, 6 na denominator 7 square. Therefore these are the terms. So this is question number 1. Question number 2. Find the first 4 terms of the sequences whose nth terms are given. Like the last example, we have to find A1, A2, A3 and A4. Here also A1, A2, A3 and A4. Here also A1, A2, A3 and A4. I will solve question number 2, subdivision 2. Question number 2, subdivision 2. Since it has plus, minus, etc. So given an is equal to minus 1 the whole power n plus 1 and n into n plus 1. Our question is to find the first 4 terms. That means A1. What is A1? Here n, here 1. That means n is equal to 1. So when n is equal to 1, we have to apply n is equal to 1. So answer minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 into n is equal to 1 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So answer minus 1 the whole power 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 into 1 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So answer minus 1 the whole square is equal to plus 1 into 2 is equal to 2. So therefore A1 is equal to 2. Second one, when you put n is equal to 2, the answer will be A2 equal to minus 1 the whole power 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 into 2 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. The next number n into n plus 1 means if it is 1, it is 2. If it is 2, it is 3. If it is 3, it is 4. So 2 into 3, which is equal to minus 1 the whole cube is equal to minus 1 into 2 3s are 6. So answer minus 1 into 6 equal to minus 6. So second term is equal to minus 6. First term is equal to 2. Next, when you put n is equal to 3, A3 is equal to minus 1 the whole power. N plus 1 means 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 into 3 into 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So answer minus 1. When you multiply minus even time, it is plus. 3 4s are 12. So plus 12. So answer A3 is equal to 12. Like that, when n is equal to 4, A4 is equal to minus 1 the whole power. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So minus 1 the whole power 5 into 4 into n plus 1 is equal to 5. 4 5s are 20, which is equal to minus 1 whole power 5. When you multiply minus odd time, answer is minus. 4 5s are 20. So answer minus 20. Therefore, A4 is equal to minus 20. Our question is to find the first 4 term. Therefore, first term is A1. A1 is equal to 2. Second term is A2. A2 is equal to minus 6. Third term is A3 is equal to 12. And fourth term is A4 is equal to minus 20. Comma are the first 4 terms. So this is the second question, second subdivision. Like that, 2 more questions are there. You have to find the first and the third as your homework. Second question I have solved like that. First and third you have to try. Question number 3. Find the nth term of the following sequences. Nth term. So like that we have discussed one question, example question. Nth term means general term. How to find the general term? We have to observe the pattern. Which pattern is included here? See the question number 1. 2, 5, 10, 17, etc. 2, 5, 10, 17, etc. If you think first term 2, second term 5, third term 10, next term 17 dot dot dot. These are the nearest integer after the square number. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. The next integer is given. Square number பக்கத்துல இருக்க நம்பர் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க 2, 5, 10, 17 அதெல்லாம் பக்கத்துல முன்னாடி இருக்க நம்பர் square number. Therefore it is 1 plus 1, it is 4 plus 1, it is 9 plus 1, it is 16 plus 1. Then next term will be 25 plus 1. 25 means 5 square. 1 plus 1 means 1 square plus 1. 2 square plus 1. 3 square plus 1. And it is 4 square plus 1. Therefore, we can observe these are the next integer after the square number. Therefore, the general term is fourth term 4 square plus 1, nth term n square plus 1. Very simple one. You have to observe the pattern. That is the question. Second one, second subdivision. What is the question? Second one, 0, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, dot dot dot. 0, you can write 0 as 0 by 1. Now, look at the numerator. First term, 0 divided by 1. Second term, 1 divided by 2. The denominator, the corresponding terms are there. In the numerator, 1 less than. Therefore, the general term is the denominator. Look at the denominator 1, 2, 3, etc. So n. The numerator 1 less. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to 2. 1 கம்மியா இருக்கறனால மேல என்ன பண்ணி நான் 1 குறைச்சிரோம். Now apply. Put n is equal to 1. கீழ 1. மேல n minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Put n is equal to 2. இங்க 2 மேல 1. Put n is equal to 3. 3 மேல என்ன வந்துரும் 2. Therefore this is general term. Denominators are the corresponding natural numbers. மேல 1 கம்மியா இருக்கு. 1 is less. Therefore we have to subtract. கீழ என்ன இருக்கோ அதுல இருந்து subtract பண்ணா n minus 1. Therefore this is the general term of the second one. Like that third one 3, 8, 13, 18, etc. Now 3, 8 எல்லாத்துலயும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 8, 13 plus 5, 18. எல்லாமே 5 ஆட் ஆகுது. ஆனா 2 கம்மியா இருக்கு. We say 1, 5 is 5. 5 ல 2 போயிடுச்சுனா 3. 2 5s are 10. 10 ல 2 போயிடுச்சுனா 8. 3 5s are 15. 15 ல 2 போயிடுச்சுனா 13. 4 5s are 20. 20 ல 2 போயிடுச்சுனா 18. எல்லாமே 5 ஓட மல்டிபிள்ஸ்ல 2 கம்மியா இருக்கறனால we can observe these numbers are 2 less than the multiples 5. For example, what are the numbers? 3, 8, 13, 18, எப்படி எழுதலாம் இத? This is nothing but 5 minus 2. 8 is nothing but 10 minus 2. 13 is nothing but 15 minus 2. 18, 20 minus 2, dot dot dot. Therefore, the general term is 5 multiple means 5n. It is less 2, so 5n minus 2. So 5n minus 2 is the general term of the third one. You have to observe it is எல்லாமே 5 5 கூடுது, but 2 less than the multiples of 5. எல்லாமே first 1 5 is 5 வந்திருக்கணும், 2 கம்மியா இருக்கு. 2 5s are 10 வந்திருக்கணும், 2 கம்மியா இருக்கு. 3 5s are 15 வந்திருக்கணும், 2 கம்மியா இருக்கு. அப்ப 5n ல 2 கம்மியா இருக்கனால it is 5n minus 2. So very simple one. They may ask us a 2 mark question or 1 word question. Next question number 4. Find the indicated terms of the sequences whose nth terms are given. இப்போ nth term கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, இங்க indicated terms கேட்டிருக்காங்க. A6, A13 கேட்டிருக்காங்க. இப்போ A6 னா what's the meaning? இங்க n இருக்கு, n இருக்கு. இப்போ 6 இருந்தா n க்கு என்ன எழுதணும்? 6 ன்னு எழுதணும். அதே மாதிரி A13 னா n க்கு என்ன எழுதணும்? 13 எழுதணும். இது ஒரு முக்கியமான 2 mark question கேட்கலாம். Very simple 2 mark question. But indicated terms கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. அதை நம்ம கரெக்ட்டா அப்ளை பண்ணி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்.
So for example, question number 1, question number 4, subdivision number 1, what is given? an is equal to 5n divided by n plus 2. What are the indicated values? a6 and a13. a6, இப்போ இங்கே ஏஎன்னு இருந்தால் இங்கே என்ன இருக்குது n, 6 இருந்தால் இங்கே n தரனால இருக்கும் 6, அதான் மீனிங். ஸோ n is equal to 6 எழுதுனா 5 into 6 divided by 6 plus 2. So 5 6 ஆல் வரும் 30. 30 divided by 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. ரெண்டுமே ஈவன் நம்பர்னா we can cancel. So cancel பண்ணா 2 டேபிளில் cancel பண்ணலாம். 4 2s are 8 and 15 2s are. Therefore answer 15 divided by 4. Next one, A. What is the next indicated value? 13. A13. That means n is equal to 13. So A13 is equal to 5 into n. n எவ்வளவு 13. 5 into 13 divided by n plus 2. n plus 2 means 13 plus 2. So 5 into 13. 1 13 is 13. 5 13s are 65 divided by 13 plus 2 is equal to 15. ரெண்டு நம்பருமே multiples of 5. So we can cancel. 3 5s are 15. 13 5s are 50. So answer 13 divided by 3. Like that we can solve the remaining two questions. Remaining question. an is equal to minus n square minus 4. We have asked a4 and a11. In this question we have to be very careful. The minus is outside. First you have to apply the value in the bracket. After that only you have to change the sign. For example, a4 means 4 square 16. 16 minus 4 is equal to 12. Answer minus 12. Like that a11 means 11 square minus 4. 11 square 121. 121 minus 4 117. The answer will be minus 117. Minus is outside. So first simplify the bracket, then put the sign. So try this question also as a homework. Question number 5. Find a8 and a15. It is also same question. a8 means here n is equal to even. a15 means 15 is odd. When n is even, you have to apply in this formula. When n is odd, we have to apply in this formula. So a8 means n is equal to 8, 8 even. So 8 square minus 1 divided by 8 plus 3. 8 square 64, 64 minus 1 63 divided by 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. So answer 63 divided by 11, like that. The answer will come. Odd na, we have to apply here. Even na here. Even 8 even. Apply inge apply பண்ணனும். 15 odd இதில் apply பண்ணனும். அது ரெண்டு தான் corresponding terms. The last one they may ask, it is a 5 mark question also. Since it's a very simple one, but we have to find 6 terms, it may be a 5 mark question like the last example question. Last example question என்ன பண்ணோமோ அதே மாதிரி தான். a1 is equal to 1, a2 is equal to 1. an is equal to 2 into an minus 1 plus an minus 2 for n is greater than or equal to 3. 3 இல்ல 3 க்கு மேல term கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா இதில் அப்ளை பண்ணணும். அப்ளை பண்ணிட்டு நம்ம என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? Then find the first 6 terms of the sequence. The sequenceல first 6 terms கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். First term is given, second term is given. We have to find the another 4 terms. That's the question. So let us solve this question now. The question is very simple one. a1 is equal to 1, a2 is equal to 1, and an is equal to 2an minus 1 plus an minus 2 for n is greater than or equal to 3. Find the 6 terms. Simple question. You have to observe an minus 1 means previous term. An minus 2 means previous one term. If it is a3, this is a2, this is a1. If it is a4, this is a3, this is a2. If it is a5, this is a4, this is a3. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி இருக்க ரெண்டு term. அப்ப முன்னாடி இருக்க ரெண்டு term ஈஸியா கண்டுபிடிச்சினா problem over. So the first one, let us find the next term, a3. What is a3? 2 into, this is a2 plus this is a1, which is equal to 2 into a2. a2 is equal to already given 1 plus a1. a1 is also given 1. Therefore answer 2 into 1 is equal to 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore the third term is 3. Next fourth term. What is fourth term? a4. 2 into, it is 4 na, this is 3, a3 plus இது a3 na, இது a2 ஒன்னு குறைச்சுக்கணும். So answer 2 into a3. a3 பேன கண்டுபிடிச்சிருப்போம் 3 plus a2. a2 is equal to 1. So 2 3s are 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. The next one, a5. Our question is to find the 6 terms. ஸோ 2 இன்ட்டு A5னா இங்கே என்ன வரும்னா A4 அதுக்கு முந்தின டேர்ம் ப்ளஸ் அதுக்கு முந்தின டேர்ம் A4க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன வரும் A3. ஸோ ஆன்சர் 2 இன்ட்டு A4 இப்போ தான் கண்டுபிடிச்சு பாயிண்ட்ஸ் ஆன்சர் 7 ப்ளஸ் A3 is equal to 3. ஸோ ஆன்சர் 2 7s are 14 plus 3. 14 plus 3 is equal to 17. Therefore answer A5 is equal to 17. Next last one A6. A6 என்ன வரும் 2 into இதுக்கு முந்தின டேர்ம் என்ன வரும் A5 plus A4. So 2 into A5 என்ன கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம் 17 plus A4 என்ன கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம் A4 is equal to 7. So answer 2 17s are 34 plus 7. 34 plus 7 is equal to 41. Therefore, question first 6 terms. Therefore, what are the first 6 terms? First number 1. Second term 1. Next term 3. Next term 7. Next term 17. Next term 41. Or the first 6 terms. It's a very simple one. You have to understand A1 is given, A1 is given, A2 is given, An when n is greater than or equal to 3, An is also given. We got to find A3, A4, A5, A6. A3 na இது A2 இது A1, A4 na இது A3 இது A2, A5 na இது A4 இது A3. ஒன்று முன்னாடி குறையும், ஏங்கிறது ஒன்று குறையும், A-2ங்கிறது இன்னொன்று குறையும். இப்போ A6 na இது A5 இது A4. அப்படியே அப்ளை பண்ணி சிம்பிளை பண்ணிங்கன்னா 6 நம்பர் வந்துடும். அந்த 6ஐயும் வரிசையாக எழுதணும். இதுதான் அந்த 6 நம்பர். These are the first 6 terms சொல்லிட்டோம்னா this is exercise 2.4. So maybe a 2 mark question or 1 5 mark question may be asked, but 2 mark question is the probable chance. Thank you.